Nice job. Good. Now these lights will turn left as well. Oh. It's alright, off the brake, Karen. Off the brake, Karen. Off the brake. Don't worry, carry on. You should not be rubbernecking there.
I know.
It's important, it's very important. Carry on, keep to the left. Stop gently.
Is he alright?
There's plenty of people there, so we're okay, Karen. It's alright, it's okay. But your reaction there is an absolute classic.
I know.
Okay?
I know.
Very, very, very important that you don't do what you did and look over your shoulder.
I know.
Alright?
Yeah.
Because what if then the person in front does what you do and slams on?
You're right.
You go straight into the back and there's 2 crashes.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
So, it's not nice for those people. I think there's plenty of people there. The lorry driver, they can get past. They're alright. So, they'll sort all that. That's not a problem. Just relax. We're okay. Alright? It didn't affect us. I know it sounds a bit selfish, but they're okay. It wasn't a... It was a bit of a screech. The lorry, you know, pushed the car. I think, look, hadn't seen him and just gone in front of it. But anyway, just remember that situation for yourself. Yeah. To try and concentrate and look at what you're doing. All right. So, no worries.
Of course, I'm going to do a slow-mo. We've got to have a look and see who we can point the finger at in this one. It's hard to tell for me, but I don't think the lorry changed much course. I thought the car turned in first. What do you think?